Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you live in a small place, I have a beautiful piece of furniture. These stackable wooden stools by Anyways Wood are such a smart choice if you want something practical and stylish. They're made of solid rubber wood, so they feel strong and sturdy. I love how you can use them as extra seating, little side tables, or even as a footrest. The natural wood colors look really clean and matches perfectly with a boho or Scandinavian style. What's great is that they don't need much space. Just stack them when you're done and that's it. There's no tools or setup needed as well, and they're light enough for you to move around easily. So if you live in a small space or just want a furniture that works in different ways, these are a great buy. They are simple, they're beautiful, and super useful. I highly recommend them. With that being said, that's just my point of view.